Shenseea, the Shenyang boss herself, has donated 100 tablets to needy students as it relates to the pandemic and the struggles that parents are facing with the online schooling. This, she says, will aid in that development of their education and their well-being. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell as well so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Very good move from Shenseea after she took to her Instagram and did a video and said that she wanted to donate and she will be doing this by giving back to the children of Jamaica, and she has done well by donating 100 tablets to needy students in that demand. So it's very good to see that entertainer has stepped up to this and has basically, what I would say, deliver on that promise. She has stated before that she would have done it, and then many people were wondering whether or not she would have executed that plan. However, she did, and she should be commended for doing this, as I know that this will help a lot of students who will gain access to one of these tablets. And based on what is going on as it relates to the whole online schooling and the struggles that these parents are faced with as it relates to them gaining access to these requisite devices that are being used in order for them to get their daily education, is very good as well. But as you know, Shenseea had a rough time this year with the passing of her mom that left her totally devastated for some time. And in recent weeks as well, she was involved in a very serious motor vehicle accident as well. So for this year, I believe Shenseea has had her test of time in this current era that we're in, and we're just going to bring you up to date as it relates though to the tablet and how she decided about handing out these 100 tablets to these new students. So with no delay, let's go over to our clip right now from Shenseea telling fans and friends how she planned on doing this.
Hey guys, I didn't know it's your girl Shenseea here, and I promised myself that after doing my first show that I would do a giveaway. So I bought over 100 tablets for kids who are in need. So if you or anybody that you know is in need of a tablet, please let me know. I feel like, with parents being underpaid right now because they have no choice, and some of you guys, they don't even have a job, so much less purchase a tablet or a laptop for your kids to participate in online schooling. It's extremely vital for kids to gain an access to be given a chance to get an education. So yeah, I bought them for you guys, and I'll be distributing them island-wide. So hit me up or anybody from my team. Oh, and one more thing, I made sure to put my logo on it. So if you see anybody trying to sell you this tablet, please don't buy it. I buy it full already. Now buy it from nobody. It's free. So the schools, please hit me up as well, because
So there you have it, Shenseea sharing that special moment with you about how she planned on delivering those tablets. So she's telling that schools need to hit her up, maybe by DM, or maybe you can get in contact with her management team. Also, what was good to see, I saw a post online from Jada Kingdom stating that this is wonderful. And as you know, the two have been having a long-standing feud online, and also as it relates to the music. But it's just great to see that she has delivered on her promise, and it's a very good thing to see that this is done. So the dancehall recording artist Shenseea stepped up her philanthropist efforts by assisting the students with technology required for online learning. The musician gave away 100 tablets during this, and she made the announcement from her official Instagram page just this week. And I must say that this is very wonderful move by Shenseea, and she should be commended for doing this, because you have a whole lot of entertainers out there who are even more wealthier than Shenseea, and we don't see them really stepping up to the pace of doing such a thing. So I believe that this was just such a wonderful move from her and also her team and the whole entire backing of Shenseea right now. We really should say thank you for doing this, and it's a good move from you and also a good move from your team. Alright, we believe we're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links WSM TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for this one. Peace out.